What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we are going to go over something I have been saying for the longest time and I haven't got to it, but pretty soon I will be getting to it because I have a overseeding project that I want to do, but the heat damn near killed all my grass. So I'm going to do a reseeding on this pretty soon, like very soon. So I was in Home Depot and I got this. It was 30 bucks. I seen this at Lowe's also for 30 bucks. You could put it in your garden or however you want to set it up. This is 100 foot of hoses. We have T's. We have the connector to go to the garden hose. All right. Or you can block it if you want it to stop in a certain area. Say you got your sprinkler right here and you don't want to go further out no more, you just attach one and attach the other. Now let's see how this goes in on here. So I will be laying this out in the sun. I just want to do a quick unboxing on this. All right, so we have that. Goes in pretty good. Let's see about taking it back out. And taking it out is hard. Oh, come on. Come on out. Come out. Uh-oh. Oh, it broke inside. Oh my God. Man, let me see. Okay, so all right, you guys, this thing is easy to cut, so I'll just get my razor blade and razor that out. Once you put it in, just let you know, once you put it in, it's in. That's it. It's hard to get out. All right. And for the material, if somebody say, hey, that's not going to last in the winter, I believe them, because this is very easy to cut too. I thought it would be a little bit harder to cut, but this is very easy to cut. If you like that unboxing, like, comment, and subscribe. I have more on the way. I am on a roll today. Like, comment, and subscribe. See if I can use that as a test. Okay, y'all. I am not breathing right now because I am excited. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Oh. Okay. It leaks a little bit here. And it's leaking through the whole pipe. What? Okay. So this is not good. Well, something's coming out, but it's not coming out how it's supposed to. Unfortunately, I'm unsuccessful this go around. I'll look for something else. Like, comment, and subscribe.